the channel. Something again a little bit different today, coming up with a few ideas. Okay, so you may have heard of, if you're into training, bodyweight training, if you're into yoga, if you're into any sort of functional type exercise, you may have heard of the Turkish Getup. So it is a compound movement. It's a functional exercise basically that's made up of lots of smaller moves, again, put together into a series. It's a great little exercise. Again, a bit like my sun salutation exercise, which I went through a couple of videos, which is a yoga movement. It's a great little warm-up, and it's a great little thing to get all your joints moving and get your joints warmed up, ready to exercise. Or if you're short of time, it's a great exercise to do, as you can add more weight into it and make it more challenging. So it's a series of moves, basically starting from a laying position on the floor and bringing you up to a standing position. Now, you might think, yeah, well, that's pretty basic. That's what we do on a daily basis. We go from lying to standing. But it's done in such a way that you need to really focus on each part of the movement. Okay, so it's great if you need to work on shoulder stability, because you were using maybe a weight or a kettlebell and the arm must be completely locked out at all times. And that's what a lot of people struggle with, the shoulder stability. So if something you need to work on, this could be perfect for you. Anyway, I'm going to go through it. I'm going to, again, point out bits that might go wrong. When it's weighted, it's best done with a kettlebell. Now, I don't have, obviously at home, gyms aren't open yet. I don't have a kettlebell, but it doesn't matter. You can either do it without any weight at all if you're a beginner, or I'm just going to use a light dumbbell just to sort of show you how to weight the exercise. Okay, so let's get straight into it. I'll go through one, I'll show you one series of the exercise, and then I'll break it down for you. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so I'll talk you through it now. So, as you can see, help the weight up with one hand, directly above the shoulder, bring the same leg up, flat foot, up onto the elbow, push to the hand, then lift the hips up, keep that right leg straight, sweep it through. Okay, then we lift the hand off, up into that half lunge, then the tricky bit, standing while keeping that arm directly up. Then we just literally reverse it. Knee down, sweep it round, hand down, sweep the leg through to straight, hips down to the elbow, and then just slide down to the back. At this stage, we're swapping hands, so we take the weight in the other hand. Okay, right arm up, right leg up, foot flat, sitting up to the elbow, push to the hand, hips up, straight leg, then sweeps through onto the knee. Take the hand off, oh, little wobble. Okay, sweep the foot round, takes you into a half lunge. Then it's a case of pushing up to standing. That's the tricky bit again. Then just reverse, knee down, sweep the foot back, hand down, leg through to sweep to a straight leg, hips down, elbow, slide down to the back, and then it's a case of getting hold of the weight with two hands and rolling it onto the side. So I started with the left arm. Doesn't really matter as long as you go through both. So therefore, I was lying on my right side. The reason some people don't start on the side, you don't need to unless you're using a weight, and that's just so you can safely pick up the weight roll onto your back, and then use both hands to get the weight up. So obviously, because you've hopefully advanced onto using a heavy weight, so that's just so you can help get the weight up. If you're not using a weight, if you're just going with body weight, you can just start off in that lame sort of starfish position and go from there. Okay, so imagine we've come from the side, we've got the weight up. The arm, this is the bit that people find tough, is keeping the elbow locked out all times. People are so focused on what the lower body's doing, the arm tends to bend. So that's my first point. And I would practice the routine with no weight and just keep an eye on keeping it, or very lightweight, keeping that elbow locked out. So you brought the weight up if you've got one, then it's the same arm up and the same knee. So this foot's flat, this arm's up. Okay, and the rest of your body, this leg's straight and this arm's down. So the first move is to bring yourself up onto the elbow. That was the first thing. Okay, then pushing up onto the hand. All the time this weight's above your head. Then you'll have seen I lifted my hips up. So I'm now holding myself and this leg is straight. Then I sweep the leg under and to the back. So at this point, what you're looking for, and it's quite tricky, keep that arm straight up, is a straight line between this hand, this knee, and this ankle. So this is all in one straight line. Okay, then you can literally take your hand off. Then you can see we've still got this angle here. So in order to get into that lunge position, all you're going to do is sweep that foot round, and now you recognise we're in that nice sort of 90-degree lunge position. This arm is still locked out. Then all you're going to do, and this is a bit where I tend to be a bit wobbly, is push through this front heel and take yourself up to standing. Now, that's where people struggle to keep the arm straight, because you're so busy thinking about pushing up, the arm tends to go. So that's the bit to practice. Once you get to this lunge position, driving through this front foot, keep that weight locked out. Okay, so, and then literally all you're going to do is reverse that whole routine to take you back to the start position. So you're standing, take the knee down. Okay, so you've now got the lunge position. Sweep that ankle back round and then place the hand where you had it. So you've got a straight line, hand, knee, ankle. So you're back to here, arm is still locked out. Then sweep that leg through, place it on the heel. Okay, keeping that arm locked out. Butt goes down. Okay, hand, go from hand to elbow, and then literally from, still lock the arm out, literally from there, you're just going to take it down to that original line position. So then we're going to change sides. So you're going to take that straight, that knee, bent knee to straight, and then use this other hand to switch over the weight. Because you might go to using a heavy weight here, and then you're back to that original position, and then you're on the other side. So we've now got the right arm up, so we take the right knee up to the elbow, up to the hand. Lift the hips, straight leg, sweep that leg underneath, keep that arm straight and make sure, straight line from hand, knee, ankle, straight up. Keep your gaze on the weight. So this is the bit where you want to lift the hand and you're coming up to that lunge, but you've still got, you need to sweep the foot to bring you into that 90-degree knee position, 90-degree at the knee. Okay, if you need to adjust anything, adjust the feet rather than the hand. Okay, so then this is the bit where people tend to bend the elbow. So drive, core tight, drive up to standing. Keep your gaze on that kettlebell, weight, whatever it is, if it's just your fist, and then it's just reversing it. Eye on the kettlebell, knee down, sweep the foot, hand down in line, take the leg under, keep that arm locked out, bum goes down, down to the elbow, down onto your back, keep the weight up. And then this time, because we're going to take the weight safely to the floor, because we've done both sides, you're literally going to bring this arm up, take the weight, straighten that leg, and then just carefully rolling over to the side and put the weight down. Okay, and that is the whole routine, just broken down for you. So it's simple really, it's just putting all those little steps together and just watching all those points. Main things to remember: the straight line between the knee, the foot and the hand when you sweep, and then remembering to sweep that leg round, and the focus when you go up to standing is core tight, because that's when the wobble's going to come in. Okay, and then just reverse it and just take it really slow. And that's it really, simple. So give it a go. It's a great, again, just like the sun salutation, But this time you can really challenge yourself with weight. Once you get good at this, you can really bump the weight up. And it turns into a really great functional all body exercise. And a few rounds of that, and you're not kidding you'll have a sweat on. It can be tough. So give it a go, no weight at all. Practice, 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 and let me know how you get on. In fact, send me a video of you doing it. I'd love to see how you get on, and hope you enjoy. So that's it for today, guys. We've done it. Hope you enjoyed something a little bit different. Anything else you'd like to see on the channel, remember to get in touch and put some comments. I'm definitely going to be doing some more real-time workouts because that's been really successful. So I'm doing a real-time upper body workout. I've had a request for a real-time core workout. So they are all going to be in the bag coming your way. So thanks again. Please put a like on the video. It really takes you literally a second to click that like button, and it means the world to us. And subscribe, tell all your friends, share it on your social media, get everybody to know, and we'll spread the word. Right, thanks again, guys, and see you in the next one.